In this video, we'll show you how to replace the blades on your GREENWORKS Twin Force Dual Blade Lawnmower. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Tools required. You will require a 15mm wrench. You will also need a brace for the blade. For this video, we will use a piece of wood. Let's get started. Remove the mulch plug and turn the lawnmower onto its side. In this video, we'll start with the top blade. When in operation, this should be the blade on the left side of the unit from the operator's perspective. Brace the blade to prevent it from moving. Using a 15mm wrench, remove the blade nut. Set the blade nut and washers aside. Be advised, the blade on the left side has a standard thread. The blade on the right side is reverse threaded. This means the nut must be turned in a clockwise direction in order to loosen it. Remove the blade nut and set the blade and washers aside. Discard the worn blades. Install the blade mount and align the cutouts on the new blade with the blade mount. Make sure the blade is installed with the curved ends pointing up towards the mower deck and not down towards the ground. When seated properly, the blade should be flat against the motor assembly. Install the blade insulator and spacer, then thread the blade nut onto the bolt and tighten by hand. Repeat this process for the second blade. Finish by firmly tightening the blade nuts using the 15mm wrench. Return the mower to the upright position. To learn more about your unit, including assembly, operation, and maintenance, visit the GREENWORKS Tools YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS lawnmower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.